The global AI in waste management market size is expected to reach $15.9 billion dollars by 2031 at an annual growth rate of 20.8%. Popular apps like Grey Parrot, D-Waste, Recycle Smart are contributing to the growth of this market. All this clearly makes this market the most lucrative space for you to enter. If you're a business or organization looking to embrace technological solutions for environmental impact, you're at the right place. In this demo video, we'll give you a detailed walkthrough of the AI Waste Management app and show you exactly how everything works. So let's begin. As soon as the user opens the app, there's intuitive and engaging onboarding that captivates their attention. It shows what the app is capable of doing and sets the stage for a delightful user experience. Once onboarded, users can easily create an account. Users can input their full name, username, email, phone number, and password. Notice the clear error states for invalid inputs, ensuring data integrity. The users have to enter the verification code received via text message on their phone for authentication. For even greater convenience, the app has integrated Sign Up with Google, allowing users to quickly create an account using their existing Google credentials, streamlining the process and reducing friction. For returning users, the login process is just as straightforward. The Login with Email screen provides clear fields for email username and password. When the user forgets the password, the app offers a seamless recovery process. Users can initiate a password reset via email. They enter their registered email, receive a verification code, and then can securely set a new password. Users also have the option to recover their password via phone number, with a choice of receiving the OTP via WhatsApp or SMS. The user can then reset the password. The home screen is the user's central hub for all waste management activities. At a glance, users can see their WISE points, a direct reflection of their contribution to a greener planet, which can be redeemed for exciting benefits in the Eco Store below. There are key services like Pick Up Trash and Trash Bank, making the most common actions immediately accessible. The What's News section keeps users updated on waste management best practices and app features. Users can tap on the Pick Up Trash button that will take them to the Wise bag where they can add items for pickup. Initially, the bag is empty, prompting users to scan now. The user can scan a waste item by pointing the phone's camera at it, and AI does its job of identifying the item, which is a plastic bottle in this case. The AI not only recognizes the item, but also provides crucial information: the type of material, its estimated weight, and the points gained for recycling. A simple slide to recycle action adds it to the virtual trash bag. After scanning, all identified items are listed in the Wise bag. Here, users can review their items, see the total points they will gain, and choose their delivery method. For trash pickup, they simply tap Schedule. Users select the desired date from an intuitive calendar view. Past dates are grayed out, ensuring valid selections. Then, they choose a convenient time slot from the available options. For pickups, adding or managing addresses is straightforward. Users input contact information, including name and phone number, with built in validation for accuracy. The address information section is comprehensive, allowing selection of country, province, city, district, and village through clear scrollable lists, ensuring precise location details. Users can then add the street address and any additional details, confirming the address for future pickups. Once all details are confirmed, users arrive at the confirmation screen, reviewing the pickup details including the items, estimated total weight, delivery cost, and chosen payment method. Tapping on Confirm method gets the pickup confirmed. The app provides a unique pickup ID, scheduled date and time, and even lets the user know how many Wise points are on the way. Back on the home screen, users can now see the pickup scheduled status, and with a tap, they can track its progress. The pickup tracking feature provides real time updates. Users can see the estimated arrival time and even details about the assigned trash bank personnel, promoting transparency and trust. This level of detail keeps users informed and builds confidence in the service. Once the pickup is complete, the app celebrates pickup success and confirms the points gained. Users are then prompted to rate their Wise Army experience, providing valuable feedback. A detailed payment summary is also presented, ensuring complete transparency. Following a successful pickup, the app immediately rewards its users. A vibrant congratulations pop-up appears, clearly displaying the Wise points earned. Apart from scheduled pickups, the app also supports direct waste drop-offs at trash banks. Users can easily find nearby trash banks through a convenient list view, showing their location and available capacity. For a more visual approach, they can switch to the trash bank map, which displays the nearest drop-off points and provides navigation. This dual approach caters to different user preferences and ensures accessibility. Just like with scheduled pickups, dropping off waste at a trash bank utilizes the app's intelligent scanning feature. Users scan their waste and the AI identifies the item and points earned. These items are then added to the Wise bag specifically for trash bank drop-off. Once items are scanned and confirmed in the Wise bag, users proceed to a confirmation screen summarizing their items and estimated total weight. Upon confirmation, a unique Your QR code is ready screen is generated. This QR code is presented to the officer at the trash bank for a quick and accurate record of the deposited waste, ensuring proper tracking and point allocation. After a successful trash bank delivery, users receive another trash bank delivery success notification along with the points gained. They are then prompted to rate their experience, providing valuable feedback for the trash bank service. The app is not just about waste disposal, it's also about education and awareness. The news section provides valuable articles and videos on waste management tutorials, community initiatives, and environmental news. Users can browse, search for specific topics like tutorials set to sector se tutorials, and engage with content designed to foster a deeper understanding of sustainability. This feature transforms the app into a valuable resource for eco-conscious living. Next is the point section that clearly displays the user's current Wise points balance and options for redemption. Users can redeem e-wallet for various denominations. The app provides clear feedback on available points and potential errors like insufficient balance, ensuring a transparent redemption process. The app has integrated popular e-wallet options, providing flexibility and convenience for users to receive their rewards directly into their preferred digital payment platform. To ensure secure transactions, any point redemption requires a PIN authentication. Users enter the 6-digit transaction PIN, which is securely verified. The app enables users to redeem vouchers as well, based on the number of points they have. Even for this, there is a PIN authentication process. After the authentication process, the user receives an e-voucher that can be redeemed at the merchant's location using the QR code. The user can easily keep a track of redeemed and expired vouchers. Users can select prepaid to redeem their Wise points for mobile credit or other prepaid services. They can choose from various nominal values, and the app clearly displays the corresponding Wise points required for each. Next, users can simply enter the phone number they wish to top up. Once a valid number is entered, the Withdraw Prepaid button activates, ready for the next step. The user has to enter the PIN for authentication. There is also the option for users to donate their points to charity and contribute to a noble cause. Users can check their rank based on the number of points they have earned. It builds a sense of friendly competition and encourages more eco-friendly actions. Each user progresses through Wise levels, starting as a seed starter and advancing to Green Heroes, Eco Master, Earth Heroes, and finally Planet Guardian. Each level unlocking exclusive benefits. These Wise level benefits offer tangible rewards, such as Plastic Hunter or Oil Hunter perks, which grant additional Wise points for recycling specific materials. Users can track their progress towards the next level and claim their benefits once achieved. Users can share their achievements across social media platforms like WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, and Facebook to further increase engagement and promote the app organically. The Eco Store is where users can truly reap the rewards of their efforts. It's a curated marketplace offering sustainable products across various categories. Users can browse items like tote bags and t-shirts, view product details including pricing, available colors, sizes, and detailed descriptions highlighting their eco-friendly attributes. The Add to Cart and Buy Now options make purchasing seamless, creating a rewarding cycle for sustainable living. Once items are added to the cart, users can review their selections in My Cart. The checkout process is intuitive, allowing users to confirm their delivery address, choose shipping options like free standard delivery, and select a payment method. Crucially, users have the option to use WisePoint for full or partial payment, seamlessly integrating their earned rewards into their shopping experience. For those opting for e-wallet payments, the app offers a wide selection of popular options. The app guides users through connecting their preferred e-wallet, for example DANA, with clear instructions and verification steps. This secure connection ensures smooth and convenient transactions, minimizing friction in the payment process. The familiar PIN authentication ensures secure payment processing. After successful verification, the user is greeted with an order successful confirmation. The user can choose to go back home or check order details and track it. Then comes the user profile section. This central hub allows users to manage their account details, view their activity, address list, and payment methods. The Edit Profile screen enables users to update their personal information, including their profile picture, name, username, with real time validation, phone number, email, gender, and date of birth. This comprehensive control ensures users can keep their information accurate and up to date. The My Activity section provides a detailed overview of all user interactions within the app. Under History, users can review past completed pickup trash and trash bank activities, seeing the items processed and points earned. The Ongoing tab keeps track of active processes like Wise EcoStore orders that are still packing. This transparency and detailed record keeping enhance user trust and provided a clear overview of their sustainable journey. From the user's main profile, navigating to security reveals the app's commitment to protecting user data and ensuring secure transactions. Here, users have critical options: two-factor authentication and PIN authentication, both of which can be easily enabled or set up for an extra layer of security. The app also offers biometric security for quick and secure login using fingerprint or Face ID, blending convenience with top-tier protection. Updating passwords within the app is designed to be secure and guided. There is proactive guidance that helps users create strong, secure passwords, greatly enhancing their account security. Users can set up PIN authentication easily with the app by following the intuitive steps. To add biometric security, the user can set their fingerprint with just a tap. A pop-up will appear upon the successful addition of the fingerprint. Moving on to payment method from the profile, the app has a variety of ways for users to transact seamlessly. Options are categorized into instant payment and credit debit. For instant payments, the app supports a wide array of popular e-wallets. Once connected, users can view their e-wallet details, including a masked account number and current balance. They also have the option to stop connection at any time, giving them full control over the linked payment methods. For those who prefer card payments, the app provides a secure interface to add new card. Users can input their card number, expiration date, and CVV. Similar to other inputs, card details undergo validation. Back in the payment method list, users can now see the successfully connected e-wallets and added credit debit cards, clearly labeled as connected. Overall, this waste management app offers engaging onboarding and AI-powered scanning through its robust security features, flexible payment options, rewarding systems, and rich educational content. If you want to build a similar app, reach out to us and we at Idea Usher will help you with it. From enterprise software to next-gen blockchain applications, our team having 10 plus years of experience delivers scalable and robust solutions to help businesses succeed. We have 1,000 plus happy clients, including leading global brands like Gold's Gym, Mogo, EQL, Mediport, Prior Ticket, and BuzzTime. Connect with us to discuss your app requirements.